Welcome back, little artists! I wonder what we draw today. Look at those little stars! I think Magic Pencil is coming. Let's make a big curve in the air. Can you do it with us? Wow! It bends so smoothly! This is called a curved line. Great job, Mino! I made a curved line. Now it's your turn, little artists. Ready? Draw! Wonderful drawing! Did you finish? Give yourself a big clap! Fantastic, little artists! Look at the little stars! What do you think Magic Pencil is making? It's a beautiful moon! Our curved line became a glowing crescent moon! Look what you made, little artists! You earned your curved line artist badge! I'm so proud of you, little artists! I wonder what Magic Pencil will teach us next. Keep drawing, one line at a time.